It's Ron back here at Ron Brown's YouTube channel where we discuss a lot of tech, camera gear, and today is going to be kind of a camera video here. We're going to talk about the DJI Pocket 3. And if you've been following my channel, I've had a couple previous videos. I had the Air with the Pocket 3 where the magnet on the screen stopped working, so it wouldn't lock in place either direction, landscape or portrait mode. So a common issue, a lot of people had this, especially when the thing first came out. I bought it when it did first come out. I think I ordered the day it was announced and got it right away. So I've been early November and I've been using it ever since. I mean, I wouldn't call it a heavy user. You know, I have a lot of other cameras, but I did use it as one of my favorite cameras. And just earlier this month, the magnet failed on me. So it's all wrap up. So I contacted DJI. I put all this in previous videos. Contact DJI. Got to go ahead and send it back. I mailed it on. Let me get my information here straight. I mailed it on Friday, June 7th, and it got there around on Thursday, the June 13th. So from there, it just kind of sat. I mean, maybe they were busy. It did not really get looked at until the 21st, which was Friday. I'm making this video on Saturday, so it got looked at, and now it's being repaired. My most recent, information from them, that's what it said. So I expect to have it back, next week sometime. But if you go to DJI.com, you go to Service and Request Inquiry, you can track your repair service. So it has like kind of a bar going across, and I'll copy and paste this and put it into the video unless it reveals too much of my sensitive data. I'll look at it in greater detail. But it has like a bar going across. So submission was checked. That was checked. Like I guess as soon as as soon as I activated all this, and the second check was received by DJI Service Center. The third check was inspection. The fourth check was quotation and payment, and the fifth check was repair. And that's what I'm on now. And the final number is number 6, and that'll be these are all number 1 through 6. The final will be shipment. So I haven't hit shipment yet. So hopefully next week, they've already sent information back to me that it can be repaired. It'll be repaired under warranty. It won't cost me anything to get it repaired. So this is all free. Shipping's been free. Repair is going to be free, and they were able to fix it, or we'll be able to fix it, one or the other. So that's where I'm now. I'm going to link the previous video I made on this, at the end. So, if you haven't been following this journey all along, you can go back and watch the previous videos I made in the subject, and I will make another video when I do get it back and inspect it and make sure it's working fine. We will, finish up there. But so far, everything is going well, as far as the repair process and, them taking care of the warranty. The only thing was it seems to be a little bit slow. I think I've sent things back before and I've gotten them back faster, but maybe that's because last time I sent a mini, maybe it was a Mini 3 back or whatever, some kind of mini drone, and I think, of course it was so busted, I think they just sent me another drone. Where this one, I think they're actually repairing my product. That's what I'll be interested in. Get back to see, check the serial number to see if this is actually my Pocket 3 I'm getting back, which, that could lead to why, maybe the slowness of it, because they actually are repairing it rather than just ship me another one. Because again, we're this whole thing started on, I started communicating with them, sometime before the 7th, and now today's the 22nd, so that's 15 days have elapsed here so far, and the party's not over. So I'm going to say, it's going to be another, what I just said, 15 days, it's going to be another maybe 3 or 4 days. So we're going to put this about 20-day turnaround, which it isn't bad, but I've had faster from DJI in the past. So anyhow, that's it for today. If you got anything on the video, give me the thumbs up. Helps the video got to more people on YouTube rather than just my subscribers. If you're not a subscriber, please consider subscribing to the channel. Got a lot of content on So action cameras, pocket camera, 360 cameras. Just got the 360 X4 in for review. Drones, of course. So yeah, it's a lot of content. Come up, ring that bell so you know when I put up a new video up. And I will have affiliate links down below if you're interested in getting a Pocket. I mean, besides the fact that the magnet broke and it went getting repaired here, it's been a great camera, almost one of my favorite cameras. In fact, I called it my favorite DJI product of 2023. Not any of the drones and not even the Action 4. It was the Pocket 3 that rated my top DJI tech product of 2023. That's how much I like this. So again, links will be down below, and don't forget I'll have the video for the previous Pocket 3 video either here or here. I forget what side it appears on. So be sure to click on that, check that out. So okay, I'll see you on the next video, folks.